If you're someone who has really big dreams, but you keep holding yourself back out of fear that they won't work out, my hope is that by the end of this video, you not only feel that it's possible, but you finally start taking action towards making your dreams a reality. In this video, I'm going to give you 6 clear, actionable steps that you can start applying today to make all of your wildest dreams come true. Step 1. Daydream. Daydreams are simply future potentials, and your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. If you play out fake scenarios in your mind enough times, your brain will actually start to register your daydreams as memories. And the more you do it, the more that you draw that reality towards yourself. So let yourself zone out, imagine specific scenarios, and linger there as long as you can. Literally ride the feelings of excitement for as long as possible. Because if you can see it in your mind, you can have it in your hand. Step 2. Believe. Believe that your dreams can become your reality. Pay attention to the things that you tell yourself in your mind. If you're telling yourself that you can't or that something isn't possible, you will give up at the very first sign of perceived failure. Remember, the mind just makes things up. It doesn't know the difference between reality and fantasy, so it's up to you whether or not you believe it. So whenever you notice negative thoughts, change them immediately. Literally tell yourself the exact opposite. Brainwash yourself into believing that you can every chance you get. And over time, believing in yourself and your dreams will become your new normal. Step 3. Make space. Let go of everything in your life that doesn't support your dreams and the person that you're becoming in the process. This includes negative habits, behavioral patterns, limiting beliefs, places, things, situations, and people that keep you stuck in the old reality that you no longer want to experience. The space will feel very uncomfortable at first, but it will soon be replaced by things that fully support where you're going next. Step 4. Take action. Take inspired action the moment you get an idea. Don't put it off for later, because whenever later rolls around, you won't feel that same excitement that you felt when the idea initially came to you. And each time you take action, no matter how small, you're proving to yourself that you can and will carry out your visions. This not only builds trust with yourself, but confidence to carry out even bigger ideas. So trust your inspirations even if they don't make clear, logical sense right away. Step 5. Move in silence. Stop listening to anyone who tells you that you want too much. Don't let other people penetrate your mind with their negative beliefs. In fact, stop telling anyone who isn't already going after their own dreams about yours in the first place, and they'll manifest much faster and smoother. Remember, most people don't go after their dreams, which is why it makes it that much more likely that they'll work out for you. So be the person who does the things that you tell yourself you're going to do, and you're already ahead of 99% of people. Step 6. Repeat steps 1 through 5. Repeat the previous steps until you get your desired results. It's literally that simple. Yes, it is going to take a lot of dedication, and you're not going to get the results the first time you take action on these steps. In fact, you're going to repeat these steps hundreds of times, one teeny tiny step at a time each day, and the accumulation of all your dedication is what will bring everything into physical form. In order to really follow through on making your dreams a reality, you need to be deeply invested in your emotional experience in life. And the more that you can live in your desired emotional state way before it materializes, the easier it will be to follow the inspirations that fall into your lap, leading you closer to living your dreams. Just a few years ago, I created a vision board of exactly what I wanted my life to look like. And almost everything on it became my reality because I stayed fully committed to following the key steps that I just shared with you. If I can do it, so can you. If you're ready to turn your dreams into reality, but you feel like you have a bunch of obstacles standing in your way, I'd like to invite you to check out my Diaries of a Black Sheep series if you'd like to see living proof that anything is possible. Just click the playlist on the center of your screen. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.